Are you interested to see how wheelchair vans are converted?
As NEMT business owners, so were we.
We're here today at BraunAbility to take a look firsthand to see how these wheelchair vans were manufactured. Come with us.
Come with us.
Glad you could be with us today. What we're going to do is we're going to start off the tour in this building. This is our WAVE building. It stands for Wheelchair Accessible Vehicles. We build several different types of conversions here, side entry and rear entry conversions. We have several WAVE lines, each one committed to building a specific type of conversion. We produce roughly about 12,000 to 15,000 vehicles annually per year.
Oh, wow.
And those are ready to ship, customer supplied chassis, CPOs or brand new chassis, mix of all those.
Okay, so you guys are building on Toyota, Honda,
Chrysler, and Chevy, the Chevy Traverse.
Got it.
So what's the time frame to complete one from beginning to end?
It's from beginning to end, it'll take about 2 days.
2 days. Wow, that's interesting.
Now that we've seen the building from above, we'll go downstairs and get to see things up close. When we get the vehicle in, we get brand new vehicles, CPOs, or customer supplied chassis. When they come in, what we want to do is we want to do a quick inspection, make sure that every component that is supposed to be with the vehicle is currently there. So we go through a bumper-to-bumper inspection, just high level, make sure everything is intact. Then it goes up to the interior of the building, and that is when we start doing the interior strip out. After it goes through the interior, then it goes through an undercarriage strip out where we start removing some of the undercarriage body components. We'll take out the gas tank, the heater lines, coolant lines, anything that's on underneath of the vehicle. And it goes to the next station where we will remove the axle and the muffler, all those other hardline components. And then it'll go to our welding area where we will then complete the welding fixture process. We'll remove the floor and put in our prefab floor. And when it goes up past that, we'll do a little bit of undercarriage welding and make sure that all those other front race parts are all completed. Make sure all the bare metal is painted. Make sure that we have rust inhibitor on it. Make sure everything's good to go. As it moves up, we start the undercarriage installation process, which will consist of installing all brand new lines and putting in new hoses and make sure all that stuff is all attached the way it should be per the OEM spec. Move it up to the next station. We'll start installing the rear axle and the exhaust. And then it goes up into our wiring process, which are several stations for that wiring process where we have to connect the wires, make sure that the system can read and interpret our conversion with the OEM conversion. And then when it moves past wiring, that's when we start going to the flooring install, make sure that the doors are put back on. Once the floors are put in, make sure that everything is functioning. We have several checks throughout the line. We'll do a final inspection before it leaves the line. And once it leaves the line, it'll go through a test drive, through a cleaning process, through another cleaning process for the interior, and then go through quality inspection where they go through everything, make sure that we're good to go. And then it goes outside and it's ready to be shipped.
I think it's time for an upgrade. Wow, I can't believe how much we've seen in our short period of time here. I mean,
This experience was so amazing.
oh my
Like,
goodness.
to see it from beginning to end, like,
These people are putting so much hard work into building the vans that we operate every day.
behind the scenes, what it really takes, all of the work that it goes into putting these vehicles together. I'm so glad we had this opportunity and this experience. Like,
This is definitely one of a lifetime.
right.
The assembly line was amazing, but you know what? We had to stop in here and check out the lovely Voyager and Toyota Sienna.
I think I look perfect in this vehicle. I love it.
This is a wonderful vehicle. I think we have to get one of these, Monica.
You're thinking so?
Yeah, can we add this to the fleet?
We can talk about it.
Guys, tell Monica to let us purchase another van, please.
We can discuss it. No, I definitely love this one.
Yes. Okay,
you
so
pick
yeah,
it up
it's-
low, pick it up low, and just push it like that. And then it sits on the floor.
Wow.
It sits on the floor, and again, it's gonna be super quiet too. These rubber bumpers here fit right into your key string. See the pucks, how they have an indentation there? So these fit right into that, and it keeps, rattles very quiet.
So this is really nice because we talk to our audience all the time about doing pharmacy delivery, medical equipment delivery. So we want to make sure that we as business owners are creating multiple streams of income for our company. So to have the flexibility to just fold the ramp in like that, right? There's so much you can do in this area when there's not a wheelchair here. So we can pick up those packages and deliver them in between rides, which is wonderful. I like it. I like it.
Yeah, especially if you're thinking about adding any type of courier service to your business.
Yes.
This is a
Yes.
great feature to implement. This is something you want to have, a must have.
Absolutely.
Girl,
Wow.
you look amazing in. Okay, so which is your favorite? Which one is your favorite?
You know what? I think they both are my favorite.
Wrong answer.
What?
Let's look. Sorry.
That was amazing. That was amazing. Now we're headed to Carmel. Yes. This is great.
We are now at BraunAbility headquarters in Carmel, where we're about to do a walkthrough of the facility.
And we're going to meet with Jill Delaney. We're going to talk all about women in transportation. We're so excited.
Yes.
absolutely amazing.
I agree. Like our audience, they're gonna love this.
I know. MJ takes BraunAbility
Again.